So the award season just wrapped and we saw tons and tons of red carpet looks throughout the year. And even before that, before 2025 ended, like since late 2025, early 2026, we have been experiencing a lot of red carpets. But one thing, or rather one trend, stands out among all of them.
I've been noticing this thing a lot. Like personally, I've noticed it, but now there is an official report regarding it. The appearance of female celebrities have drastically changed. They've become more thin. Their bones are showing. They look fragile on the screens. Don't you agree?
Exactly. I mean, you know, if they're doing
What
all
went
of this,
wrong?
what went wrong?
What
And
went
if
wrong?
they're doing all of this to look good, we don't know if that's the case. If they're actually succeeding in this, but this is something that we had felt amongst ourselves, and now there's an official report to condone this notice.
I was reading that report. So according to the very famous Hollywood dermatologist, mostly female clients have been microdosing GLP. So what is GLP? It's basically a medication, but rather less harmful than the other medications. You can still have it and eat all you can, and it doesn't affect you like other medicines. But at what cost? Like if it's not affecting you right now, I think it may have a long-term
I mean,
effect.
all it's doing is making these women look incredibly skinny. With
Yes, they are making it they look incredibly skinny, but do they look good on
I
screen?
mean, you know,
Like the latest Oscar appearance, Emma Stone.
Demi Moore,
Not Demi Moore,
the Actor
Ariana
Awards.
Grande, like 2025, Ariana Grande was all over the screen for her appearances. Like, they do look skinny if it's that they want, but do they
If
look
that's
good?
yeah, if that's the goal. But even I think a top Hollywood stylist and a former Vogue editor told Page Six that any kind of weight is a stigma at this point in Hollywood.
And what happened to the body positivity the Hollywood was talking
Which-
about?
Which was a movement that
Yes.
really I think really influenced the 2010s,
Yes.
even early 2020s, and now there's like a huge like 180. Like we have completely gone backwards, and once again, like this epidemic is only impacting women.
Yes, not
Like
man.
men are not getting skinny or scary looking health wise.
It's only in women.
It's only for women.
Even mostly eating disorders are found in women.
Most eating disorders. And even if that would be a completely different debate, but right now in Hollywood, what we're seeing, because this is how these movements get influenced, like this is how it's going to permeate in public.
Maria, we were discussing this point that even the regular size is not being fit to the actress.
The
What was it?
regular sample sizes, the stylists are complaining that
Like the
regular
notable
sample
stylists.
sizes are not
Not the local
are not
ones,
fitting
like
their
the
clients.
yes.
And they don't look good anymore. And we could see that. I think that Emma Stone's recent look at the Oscars,
Yes.
I mean, it was hanging off of
Oh,
her.
she's been in the news regarding this topic since late 2025.
Ever since she started making these appearances. I mean, anyway, I think it's a troubling debate, and this
Yeah.
is not going to go anywhere, but it's definitely something that we should take notice of, that we should be aware of.
Like my only concern, and I would say like our concern, is that they do look skinny, but do they look really good on the screen?
So share your take with Newsflip and stick around for more on this debate.